Hi children, welcome back to your science class. Today we are going to start new block 16, water pollution. We know our earth consists of water more than land. Yes, which is more on earth? Yes, it is water than land. So we know 75% of our earth consists of water. Is all this water can be drinkable, children? No, only few water is drinking water or fresh water source, isn't it? So we know when we consider out of 100%, is 97% of water is salty water. This water can be found on sea or ocean. And 3%, among this 3%, 2% water we can see in the form of ice and water vapor, isn't it? Only 1% of water is drinking water. So drinking water is very less on earth. Fresh water or drinking water is very less on earth. So we have to save the water, isn't it? We have to save water. So we know who is making this water dirty? Yes, we the humans are making the water dirty. How we make this water dirty? Yes, we are throwing waste. We are throwing waste or garbage. Throwing garbage. Then, yes, oil, chemicals. Then, paper, mud, etc. All this make the water dirty. Okay, so what we can call this? Yes, we can call this as pollutants. So what are the pollutants? Pollutants are the substances that make the water dirty. So which are the pollutants make the water dirty? Yes, garbage, oil, chemicals, paper, then mud. All these things dumped in the water, then the water become dirty. Okay, so how is dirty water? How can we understand a water is fresh water or dirty water? How is fresh water and dirty water, children? Yes, how can we understand fresh water and dirty water? Yes, how is fresh water? Yes, fresh water do not have any smell, no smell, no taste and no smell, no taste and no color. Okay, so this fresh water do not have any smell, any taste and any color. Okay, but the dirty water is entirely different. How is dirty water? Yes, dirty water has smell. Dirty water has smell and brown color, brown or black color will be there. Okay, so it has color. And it has taste also, bad taste also will be there. Okay, so this is the way we can understand a water is fresh or dirty. So fresh water has no smell, no taste, no color. Okay, no smell, no taste, no color. But dirty water has smell, has color and bad taste also will be there. So we can understand easily which is fresh water and which is dirty water. So we can say which are the fresh water sources. Yes, river, lake, pond, then hand pump, tube well, streams, isn't it? Lake, these all are some fresh water sources. Then which are the dirty water sources? Yes, sea, ocean, then puddle water. These are dirty water sources. We know ocean water we cannot drink. Why ocean water we can't drink, children? Yes, it is salty water. So we cannot drink it. Okay. Then puddle water also it is muddy water, isn't it? Puddle water has mud in it. So it makes the water dirty. So these are the some of the fresh water sources and dirty water sources. So fresh water do not have any smell, color and taste, but dirty water has smell, color and taste. Okay, then which are the things that make the water polluted? Yes, garbage, oil, chemical, paper, mud, etc. are the some things that make the water dirty. So these are called pollutants. Okay, so we throw these things in the water, then it make the water dirty. So we are responsible, humans are responsible for this making the water dirty. So what we should do is we should stop all those things, then the water become clean. Okay, so now you have to take a workbook. So, page number 40. Yes, dirty water. So first we have to fill in the table by observing the water samples. One is done for you. So here you can see one sample is given for you, children. So sample source of water we can see here, puddle water. Puddle water is taken as the sample here. Then how is the smell of water? Yes, muddy smell. Then what is the color of water? Yes, it is brown color. What is in the water? Yes, mud in the water. Is it clean? No, it is not clean. So next what we can give? We can give any other samples. So we can give well. Okay, well is one sample source. Okay, so there is smell in water. Yes, no smell. No smell in the water. Then color of water? No color. Is what is in the water? Yes, nothing is there. Nothing. Is it drinkable? Is it good water? Yes. Is it clean? Yes. Next we can give one sample. We can take one sample. It is dirty water source. Okay, we can take ocean or sea. Ocean. Okay. Then what is this smell of water? Yes, there will be bad smell. Bad smell will be there because it is dirty water. Bad smell. Okay. Then is any color? Yes, we can write brown color. Dirty water has brown color. Okay, so light brown color will be there for salty water. Okay, then what is in the water? Yes, we can say salt is there. So salt is there. Okay. Then is it clean? No, it is not clean. No. The next one we can write tap water. Tap. Yes. What is the smell of water? Yes, no smell. Tap water is tap water is clean water or filtered water, isn't it? So this tap water become filtered before reaching home. So it is good water. Okay, filtered clean water. Then tap water is no smell. Then what is the color? No color. Then no color. Then what is there in the water? Nothing is there. Is it clean? Yes. So this is the way we can give the examples. Okay, so 3 examples are needed that we want. Okay, next question. Which water sample is not clean? What would have made it dirty? So you can see 2 samples of water here, sample A and sample B. From this we can understand which is dirty water. How you can understand, children? Yes, by its color we can understand which one is dirty here. Yes, so sample A is dirty. Then another question, one more question is there. What would have made it dirty? Yes, what made it dirty, children? Yes, mud and soil and mud made it dirty. So how can we write the answer? Second answer is sample A. Sample A. Then what made it dirty? Soil and mud. Soil and mud made it dirty. Okay. So this is the way we can give the answer of second question. Now third one. Third question. Water from which source is safe to drink? Why do you think so? What are the other sources of drinking water? So water from which source, above mentioned sources, which source is safest to drink? So we can write well water and tap water also, but which is the most safest to drink? Well water, some well water is not clean, isn't it? So we can write tap water is safest to drink. Tap water is safest to drink. Tap water is safest to drink? Why tap water is safest to drink, children? Yes, tap water is filtered before reaching home. So how can we write? Because tap water is filtered. Tap water is filtered before reaching home. Before reaching home. Tap water is filtered before reaching home. Then one more question is there. What are the other sources of drinking water? So we can write boiled water and bottled water. Boiled water and bottled water. Bottled water are the two sources of drinking water. Two sources of drinking water. Okay. Two sources of drinking water. So this much enough. This much only you have to write in the workbook. So let us discuss one practice question. So we have to do one practice question today. So the question is, how does water become polluted? Write the names of any pollutants. How does water become polluted, children? Yes, we throw the, how the water become polluted? Yes, the harmful things make the water polluted. What are the harmful things? Yes, the humans throw harmful things in the water like chemicals, oil, then paper, mud, okay, garbage, plastic, etc. that make the water dirty. Then we throw these things in the water, then the water become dirty. So you can write the, how can you give the answer? Yes, the harmful things that make water polluted. So which are the examples for these pollutants? Yes, example for pollutants are mud, dirt, oil, plastic, paper, garbage, plastic, chemicals, etc. So any two pollutants name you can mention. Okay, so this much only we are taking today. Hope you all understood today's class. So we will meet in the next class. Okay, bye.